Yeah, alright love, you go and make yourself scarce and I'll have a chat with him. Yeah, alright. See you later. Bye. Justin?
Yes, Dad?
Come in here, will you? Your old dad wants to have a chat with you.
What do you want, Dad?
Come and sit yourself down and we'll have a nice little chat and a cup of tea and then we'll have a bit of cake as well. Right, Justin, your mother and I have been talking and we reckon it's high time that you and I had a little chat, man to man, about, well, you know, the birds and the bees.
You mean sex, Dad?
Yeah, see? I mean, you must be, what, 11, 12 now, Justin?
14.
Whatever.
So, Dad, when I get myself a woman, what do I do with her?
Well, I'm glad you asked me that, Justin. So, when you've got the woman, you have a cake. Well, when I met your mother, we courted for a full 21 years before I ever laid a hand on her.
21 years?
21 years, Justin. That was normal. That was normal, I think.
So tell me about that.
What happens is just a man and woman, they get together and they have a very special time. They get nice and close, and they get some romantic music on.
What is this special colour?
Well, it's hard to explain, Justin. I mean, you just lay down warm.
So all I've got to do is lie down with a woman. And you're down with
Right, the thing is, Justin, you and I, we're triple for your blood. We're ditto farmers. Right, now you've got that, Justin.